Ever wanted to step down from managing a Facebook page and need to shed your admin duties cleanly? This quick guide will show you exactly how to remove yourself as an admin, ensuring a smooth handover or simply freeing up your time. First, navigate to the Facebook page you wish to remove yourself from. Once you're on the page, locate and click on the Page Settings option. This is usually found in the left-hand menu or sometimes under a More tab. Within Page Settings, you'll see a list of options on the left. Click on Page Roles. This section displays everyone who currently has administrative or other access to the page. Now, find your own name in the list of page roles to the right of your name. You should see an Edit button. Click on this Edit button to bring up your current role and options. A pop-up window will appear. Look for the Remove button. This is the key step to relinquishing your administrative access. Facebook will then ask for confirmation before removing you. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental removals. Click the Confirm button to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully removed yourself as an administrator from the Facebook page if you were transferring ownership. This is where you'd ensure the new owner has the correct permissions before removing yourself. You've now mastered cleanly exiting your admin role.